Look at this park we're at. There's a waterfall coming. Come on, let's get there before the whole other families come along.
Okay.
Look at this. It's freaking amazing. It's amazing. Oh, I want to live here. Hurry up, let's get to the waterfall before the other kids come. Oh, look. There's even a big vine up here for Tarzan. You see what I'm looking at? Right here. That one. This is where Tarzan originated. Right here. See his vine? Yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't remember. Hold on. We come to a fork in the road.
Let's go this way.
Okay, look. It says falls. It's like a mystery right here. See where it says falls? So this would mean falls. Yes, this way.
Waterfall.
Come on.
Then can we go that
Yeah, we will.
way? Okay.
Oh my.
Are you okay, Daddy? This feels like I'm living in a dang jungle.
Feels like you're living in heaven.
Yeah, this feels like that.
Okay, we have somebody coming up. I gotta end this journey. But I'm gonna show you, look, like a big old circle.
Tarzan.
Is that a portal? Okay, anyways.
home.
I have to stop the video because we're coming up on somebody. You know, I won't record them, but I'm gonna record again when I get to the waterfall. Again, stop, Callie, for a minute, stop. Hold on.
You have money in your
Let me take this in. Whew. Okay. I shall return at the waterfall.